Sometimes you gotta. I got DMR given to me. Do I need a personalized code plug, or is the radio already set with the code plug obtained from the old owner? Now, code plugs you can use across the board. The issue you have is when we actually come over here, what I'm going to do now is under radio ID list on here on the left, you're going to notice here's one of my IDs. I have multiple IDs, but each person has a unique radio ID. Think of this like a telephone number. You got your own cell phone number. When you turn on that cell phone sends that signal to your company. So say you have Verizon or T-Mobile or one of them, it sends it to their cell phone tower. This is my ID. This is my, the phone I'm on, the phone's ID, so on and so forth. Same thing happens in DMR. So when you push that push to talk, that ID is going out. So when you call someone on a cell phone, that phone number of yours is going out. This actually is how the systems operate on the back end, and how it can always find you is it routes through the system and goes, this repeater goes, hey, I got that number, because it goes to all repeaters and all things throughout the whole network and system. And that goes, oh yeah, I got that person. Let me send the signal right over to them. This is great. It works. It allows for roaming. It allows you to be on between different repeaters. So wherever you're at, it's always going to update the system instantaneous with wherever you are getting that transmission, and you're communicating with that data back and forth between your repeater, your hotspot, or whatever it may be. So yes, the only thing is, the only restriction you have is you have to get your own radio ID for your call sign. Now, unlike a call sign, you can only have one call sign, but you can have multiple radio IDs. One amateur call sign. You can have multiple call signs in a different aspect, GMRS, commercial, club license, things like that. But personally, you can only have one license, and that's it. But you can have multiple IDs.